everyone. It's been a while for a van talk, but it's just been absolutely crazy with work. I know there's a lot of talk going round about it being slower and stuff like that, but it really isn't for us. It's crazy. But one thing that I'll start doing more videos on, because it just helps that many people with business, is we've just like launched as our Way media company as well. It's a social media marketing company. Now, how that came about where people see our social media stuff. Well, no, I'll start from the beginning. We're just always busy, like since COVID, just non-stop busy. People really supporting us, posts, recommending us, tagging us and everything. It's getting a bit like a joke, to be honest. Like when you see someone recommend a job and how much, like in our area, they're all just tagging us. To the point where even many times I've seen people who's not even had outdone, and they'll say, I've not had outdone by Words Away, but I've seen the stuff and they're brilliant. And then, because we've got properties and stuff, we started going to a lot of property events and networking events, which is another massive thing people should do that they don't really do, especially up in Yorkshire. And people again commented on social media, and then because they're in construction at these events, there is a lot of builders, ground workers, and some of them like really ain't got no work. There's a few of them that's got nothing at all, and it's horrible to see. So then people start asking us about social media stuff. Now, we've obviously got this business, it's full on, there's me and Keely, it's non-stop all the time. So I just had ideas like, look, we can offer this service, it ain't ridiculously priced at all, we're just working that out. But it's like, when in construction, you'll know, a month you can get 20, depending on your side of the business, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 pounds worth of work, and we know how to do that. So that's something we've launched that we'll be working for. So if anyone is out there struggling for work, I know the going thing on social media is to say, I don't advertise, I don't do anything, it's all word of mouth, I've never advertised in 50 and I'm booked up. It's just a lie, like it's just a straight out lie, I'll tell you that now. There might be odd outlier with a mouth that tends to come out saying that, but you need to advertise, it's stupid. I mean, you've got Nike, Adidas, McDonald's, Facebook, they all advertise, the biggest companies in the world. Now, like, ignorant it is to say you don't need to advertise if you're good. It's everything, that's what builds companies. Anyone that's saying that don't need to advertise, and they've got no idea how to scale a business. No idea, because you can't scale a business on word of mouth. Not happening. Like, show me someone that has. Maybe when you build it up, people are going to recommend you, but it all comes from, you need to get them jobs in, and then you need to be able to build your business as well. Which is something we'll be working with, not intentionally, it's just that as you're doing these job leads for people, as you're dealing with the Facebook pages, like, I suppose really they're going to start to ask things about the business and how to maybe handle that amount of work. If you wanted to do that, and the thing is, there's all people that saying, oh, you don't want to be swamped down with work. Well, that ain't the idea. When you're building a business sort of thing, it's not about in the end result being there 24/7 in your own thing. You've got to have strategies, and you're going to employ certain people as well. People you can trust, pay them fairly. People that want to build your company with you. That's what it's all about. And so we always been in construction. I think that's why we've sort of left behind a lot of people in our area, landscapers, because they're so different from us. I don't know how. I think I've watched a ton of stuff. I'm always researching, studying. It ain't watching videos, it's studying business stuff, a lot of American stuff. So I think that's probably my principles are more in line with their sort of thing, and it's very different. And you only have to look at people who's done really well, and they follow the same stuff. Like that's who you want to be watching, the people that are doing really well, and try and replicate that. It doesn't matter that they're in another country or they're in a different business. The principles are the same. Especially with social media, the only thing with construction is you've got to have big teams, especially in our job with building landscaping. You've got to have teams to handle that sort of work, but people have. I know people that have got workers and they're struggling like out for work. And when you're an owner and you care, that it kills you. That kills you if you're going to have to start letting people go. You want to keep them in a job, and it's people might think it's just because you earn money, but it's not. It's really not that. Like you've got some loyalty to your people because you help each other. Maybe in the actual scheme of things, it gets quite skewed. Business owners and what they actually make off the people, but you could say you might make a certain amount off each person. Obviously, more people you've got, you'll make more, but with that comes more overheads as well. We've known of businesses that have got £1 million of turnover and they barely make any money. Like they're working the same all the time and they don't make any money. You've literally got someone who's got a beauty salon doing lip fillers and that, making more money than a millions of pound turnover business. So that's a real key thing to try and find out. This road is fucking really bad. I don't know if you'll be able to get through. This road is so fucking bad. It's tiny. I like bushes. Anyway, just coming to one of his new jobs we're starting. Both at teams finished. Very weird how it works. We don't know if it's landscaping, but there's two completely different jobs, hundreds of variables on each project, and they start up for the same day and they keep finishing on the same day as well. So he's not going to care for that. Fucking hell, this is terrible, isn't it? Let him go. I'm in a really bad spot here and all, aren't I? Oh God, horrible, isn't it that? Right string of them there as well. So yeah, anyway, I've completely lost my train of thought now that I thought someone were going to definitely slap me van on the side. So yeah, that's just a little video. Keep catching up with us. We're still full on building, landscaping, full garden projects. It's a very, very time consuming because we've got our own social media to run as well as this business, and it is a business in itself. That's why we're offering this service. So it's in our interest now to get our YouTube and all this medias up, but as Facebook is by far the biggest one. And when it comes down to that, it's not even, there's ways to get followers, like buying followers. You'll see pages that have got 50, 20, 10, 100,000 followers. It's no good. Like they don't earn no money from it, from the business. It's just a following. Like our Facebook page, our personal one, so they've got like 15,000 across them, but we're solid. We work for 7 men all the time. Like we know how to get the jobs from the actual Facebook system. It's a thing. I'm not going to tell you how to do it, obviously. But it's a very long process, but it's something that we can sort of strategize, and maybe we say we get 5-10 businesses, we can sort of dedicate time to just that, and it'll probably be a lot more efficient, really. Like just teaching the stuff what we teach. Like there's no way I can get through there. Right, I will pop on again when we've got the packages done to explain some more stuff, because this is just silly, isn't it, driving round here like. I'm not coming this way again. I mean, I've got it's a Porsche colour on my van, crayon, and it'll be scratched like out now going through them bushes and that. I know it will. So I'll get on again. I'll keep updating you, explaining more about the social media marketing agency. Do subscribe. I think we've just hit 1,000 subscribers actually. So do subscribe, comment if you're wanting to know more about marketing stuff, and you can have a talk with my wife Keely. I mean, you can have a talk for now. I mean, worst that'll happen is she'll explain a couple of things to you that you can take away anyway into your own social media. But it works. It's not even a question. It works. You'll get a lot more work off it. No matter what your business is, you'll get more sales, more work, more quality work. That's one of the biggest things, because you can have a lot of work, but if it's stuff you're not wanting to do, I mean, like where we really specialise in porcelain, and you'll see that that's all we do. Like, because and there's a way to do that. And it's all through social media. We're not just doing bits of all sorts and that. We do exactly what we want to do. We pick who we want to work for. And people might want to say that, but they don't. There ain't many that can do it. I know, because I'm in the circles about it. It's just there's a lot of lies and bull in the construction industry. There's a lot of talking up, thinking people are like, I don't know, just lie. It's weird. Just lying to make the sense sounds better. It's a very strange world, to be honest. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment if you want to know more, and keep on watching. And we'll drop another one sometime when I've got some more packages together and I can actually explain to you individual stuff and that. So yeah, see you later. Thanks for watching.